Previously on the vlog.
Today is 10th of April and I'm very happy because this is the day I started earning like 4 years ago. So I'm very happy about this date. I really have something with dates and I'm going out for a bloggers invite. So see you there. Emma kissy.
Oh! Emma, give me a kiss. Emma, give me a kiss. Emma.
बार-बार नहीं होता है एकदम this priceless.
Emmu, Kutu.
Take a picture now and go on to show Pogo.
Soumya in the attempt 105. In the attempt 105 to put rubber band on Emma. Karthik, are you gonna belly rub her and help Soumya to get the rubber band on?
नहीं don't belly rub, she'll be
Oh. Good. One more flip. Come on, Soumya, you can do it.
MU नहीं वो मैं पहले 2 fold करके डाली.
अच्छा.
Emma? Get four. Yeah, wrong Rocos, get four. Take one. I'm using this card.
अरे no.
Take one. He has to take 8 then.
No,
You put 4. No.
Don't put here.
No.
Maddie put you can't be.
Okay, I am so confused.
This guy called wrong Uno for song. He has to pick 4. And
then
इसके बाद plus 4 है.
No, you can
That
stack.
is the rule.
You can stack only on top of acid card. You can't be like 4.
अरे you call her on Uno, no? Pick that. Then this fellow will put plus 4, no? That's not stacking. That's called this. Your turn is bad. You said I didn't do anything.
You can put draw 4.
I put only 2.
So I thought picture.
Put some card, no, not draw.
See his shakal.
You're not allowed.
No, you are allowed to put any card.
You put plus 4.
Put
I
Maddie.
don't have plus 4. I order plus 2 or whatever.
You put that.
Put
that.
no.
Put that.
No.
Arey, let it.
Okay, play whatever you want. Okay, I don't have green cards, so I play whatever you want. Pick 6.
तू तो नहीं जीतेगा.
अरे
तुझे में इतना मालूम है.
Please draw 6 with all love.
Hey, you can't play. You can't pick and play.
Yeah, you can play.
No, this is the usual card. ये क्या rule है?
The next day.
So we are at Teal Room Cafe and we've had hi Aki. This is going on YouTube, Aki. Come on, say hi to my YouTube channel. You've already been featured here so many times. Stop hiding. Okay, so we are at the Teal Room Cafe. I'll insert pictures of the cafe there and it's delicious. We've had so much of food. The chili garlic noodles are really delicious.
I ordered them.
She ordered them and they're really delicious. The coffee rubbed burger. It's a non-veg burger. It's really good according to my friends. What else is nice? The tom yum soup is nice. The Nutella chocolate क्या था ये? Nutella chocolate shake is really nice. Also, this place is like a you can work here. So I'll show you the pictures, but you can work here. So in case you are bored at your own place and you want to work from a place that is pretty, this place is that place for you.
So you know that I told you I like you. So okay, this is awkward for me.
Me too.
Deeper does the same. So Will you marry me?
No. No.
Say yes. Say yes.
Thank God my grandfather died.
Say yes. Say yes for the video.
No. Okay, yes.
He didn't even go down on one knee.
Johnny was sitting on the chair.
Maddie, stand up.
उसको जैसे करना कर.
Give me your hand.
Oh my god.
Maddie नहीं दीपा.
Deepak, I waited for this moment all my life. I love you so much.
Oh.
Hey, oh मत करो. Say properly. Will you marry me? Sorry.
Yes बोलने से. Hey, consent लो पहले. Where is what?
Will you marry me?
No.
Then keep it inside. Do you want this ring?
Yeah.
Okay, then say yes.
Yes.
What to yes? What yes to what?
I will marry you.
Oh yeah. Yes
Will you marry me or not?
Yes to the ring.
Will you marry me or not?
Yeah, sure.
Pakka?
Yeah.
Will you go back on your word?
Woohoo! Hey everyone, today is 13th of April and today was a holiday, but one thing that happened was that this nail started chipping. So the nail art I had done, the nail had hit somewhere and started chipping, it started hurting badly. So here I am at the Fingertips nail studio in Jubilee Hills. I'll leave the exact location somewhere down here, and they have taken care about, like, they've taken care of my nails such perfectly. It still hurts, but जो buffing करते हैं वो buffing इतने प्यार से हुई है कि it did not hurt at that time. It was such a pleasant experience. So if you're around and if you want, you can come here. I'll leave all the details in the description and you can come and enjoy and have a pampering session.
अरे ऐसे उसके ऊपर से गया.
Come on, 1, 2, 3, jump. अरे पकड़ लिया. Okay, go.
Hey everyone, today is 15th of April and 15th of April means a special day because that is the day I joined Google, and that is how I'm celebrating. I'm celebrating 2 years of working at Google, which is such a proud feeling. This is one company I had always dreamt of, and I'll tell you a small story about it. But yeah, this is one company that I've always dreamt of, and that is why I'm so ready because I'm heading to Subway. Now I'll tell you what my Google and Subway connection is. So I think back in 2011 when I had come to Hyderabad for a wedding, हम लोग रात को बहुत भूख लग रही थी and we didn't have any place to go, and I know what Google is, right? But Google never came live to me until that moment when I visited the Subway, which is just next to Google, and at that point of time I thought कि Google उसका मतलब Google employees के लिए होता है वो, but Google has better cafeterias. But again, yeah, that was the first time I saw Google come live to me. Okay, so that being said, I saw the Google office first time when I was there and Subway. So I thought that on my first anniversary, Google anniversary, I'll eat Subway, but that couldn't happen. And today I'm going. So I'll take you along.
अब मेरा वीडियो लाइफ का ओनली सही में बोलना चाहता हूँ.
बोलो.
So guys, you must know that me and Madan, we hate Subway.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलना
We
पड़ेगा.
hate Subway, but we're here today because Richa Mundra has completed 2 years. We don't like Subway, but we're here because Richa has completed 2 years in Google. Personally, when I didn't expect her to. It's a great achievement.
Congratulations, Richa.
But congratulations, we love you.
Thank you.
Will this go one go? I have my fast. I cannot eat anything, but still I'm here only for this girl.
We three are your
Because
Chuddy buddies.
It's
It's a group hug. It's a group hug. Thank you guys for coming.
very happy for Richa, and we hope she has like many
20 years of Google University.
खूब ज़्यादा हो गया.
I finished a Subway first time in my life.
Seriously?
Yes.
Thanks to Richard Google Workspace.
I would like to say that I finished a bloody sub for the first time in 5 attempts.
In 5 attempts.
Yeah,
Are you going for the next one?
I might.
You still might.
Yeah, I will. Because I'm hungry.
Maddie?
I also never liked, but it was really good. Whatever I had.
We hate Subway. We hate Subway. We hate Subway.
Really good. Whatever I had.
Okay, so are you going for the next one?
Yeah.
Already
That
on
is going
process. That is happens when you choose the right order.
Oh.
Yes, so pro tip for me, never take mustard and sauce and never take olives.
Pro
I
tip.
don't know. I just asked people to help me. They claim that I chose wrong order, so I asked them to okay, choose an order.
Okay.
You want me to burp now? क्या करूँ?
Now happy Google version. What a surprise!
Today is the last day in Hyderabad and I'm so sad. It's 17th of April. I'm wearing this blue because I have a Zoom party to attend later on, which is Kittu's birthday. So I'm wearing blue because the theme is blue, obviously. But yeah, I'll see you. How was your trip, Johnny?
I'm crying.
One word for the trip.
Loved it.
2 words हो गया ना? One word.
Beautiful.
Pogo, one word for this trip.
Very nice.
One word.
दो नहीं कर सकते.
Very nice. One word कहाँ हुआ?
दो नहीं कर सकते.
One word. Come on.
Amazing.
Rohan, one word. Fantastic. Karthik, one word for this trip.
Fun.
Abhinav, one word.
Trip.
Mansa, one word.
Awesome.
Maddie, one word again.
Emotional.
One word. Chalo. Jaldi bolo. Soumya, one word for this trip. Come on, jaldi. Oh
Too short.
too short.
Too short for me.
चल आजा बाहर. So this is the one last time. Today is 18th of April and I'm going back to give the car to my uncle and just then I would be getting ready for the airport. We've dropped the Delhi people. तो अब आधे लोग तो जा चुके हैं. काफ़ी sad type की feeling आ रही है because बस sad type की feeling आ रही है. Oh, it's not a happy feeling. The days went on like really quickly and we had like so much fun. So it's definitely not a good feeling. But let's see. We look forward to more trips together, I hope. I hope so. COVID की situation बहुत बुरी हो रही है, but I hope so. I'll see you. Actually, on another note, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here and see you in the next video. So if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And yeah, bye.
Bye.